stacker on a journey to find silver. International stacker.
All right, we're gonna keep on going. And this one's sad, guys. This is an order I placed from Silver Baggins. 3 troy ounce number 55. And it's the freed Baggins bar. And this was his last bar under the moniker Silver Baggins, you guys know, because of legal issues. Super nice. Well poured. Cool little cracks, nice antiquing, beautiful pour lines on the back. And you guys, it says 3 ounces, 999, freed Baggins, number 55. Super cool. Super cool. And you guys, Silver Baggins bullion, so sad. Now he's Silver Dragons. I know a lot of you probably don't realize it, or you missed it, but the company that owns Baggins, like Frodo Baggins, contacted Silver Baggins and MK Bars back when he's doing the channel bar, and they asked him, they sent him a cease and desist. So he changed his name from Silver Baggins to Silver Dragons. But to us guys, he's still Silver Baggins. And if you ask me, that's super lame of that company to do that. I mean, the heck? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I rest my case. I'm getting lawyers and I'm fighting it. I'm fighting. Just kidding. Anyways, guys. So this is the last chance I had to get a Silver Baggins bar, which is cool. And let's see what he comes out with under the Silver Dragons moniker. Dun, dun, dun. All right, guys. Catch you on the next one.